As a Class A luxury motorhome, the 2025 Tiffin Zephyr will have a sleek, robust, and practical external appearance that is characteristic of the upper class. In order to decrease wind resistance and boost fuel economy, the body will have aerodynamic design and clean lines. The overall style will be elegant and opulent. Tiffin's body paint is renowned for its excellence. For a deep shine and optimal weather protection, the 2025 Zephyr is probably going to have a complex full-body paint job with many coats of clear coat. Typically, Tiffin provides a range of eye-catching color combinations. The body's graphic design will match the paint's base color and be sleek and contemporary. Panoramic windscreen in one piece. The big front window, a common feature of luxury RVs, will give the driver and front passenger outstanding view. LED technology will probably be used in turn signals, fog lights, headlights, and taillights for improved illumination, energy efficiency, and a more contemporary appearance. An attractive entry door featuring an integrated screen for bug-free ventilation and a deadbolt lock. The Zephyr is renowned for having a roomy interior, which is made possible by several slide-outs, maybe 3 or 4 in different body sections that increase the living area while parked. The color of the slide-out and walls will probably match that of the body. High ceilings around 83 inches are used in the interior design to provide a feeling of more openness and space. Huge windows are intended to let in a lot of natural light and breathtaking vistas. For efficiency and a contemporary look, LED lighting is used throughout the interior. In order to optimize living space and parking, Tiffin Zephyrs usually offer 1 or 2 roomy floor layouts with lots of slide-outs. For increased convenience, floor designs may have a bathroom and a half. High-quality hardwoods with a range of opulent finish such as sandstone, platinum, black truffle, white linen, glazed honey natural cherry, and glazed canyon cherry are used to make the cabinets. Quartz surfaces for kitchens and bathrooms are attractive and long-lasting. Usually, the main floor is covered in opulent porcelain ceramic tiles that come in matte or polished finishes. Typically, the bedrooms and slide-out space are carpeted. Comfortable, easily cleaned ultra leather is frequently used to cover furniture such as couches and dinette chairs. Alternatives include rice paper or tatami mats. Most kitchen equipment, including ovens, microwaves, refrigerators, and induction cooktops, are constructed of premium stainless steel. Large refrigerators, induction cooktops, microwaves and convection ovens, dishwashers, and lots of storage space are common features seen in kitchens. Beverage centers and countertop extensions may be included in some floor layouts. A dinette computer workstation, theater seats, or a couch sleeper are available seating alternatives. A king-size bed, TV, a spacious walk-in closet with a safe, and occasionally a fireplace are all common elements of the master bedroom. Premium audio systems, several TVs in different locations, and occasionally Starlink Pro internet.